Hi, I'm Larry Franz, and let's see today why sometimes we cannot divide properly the object into two separate pieces in Blender. Let's see. Let us try to divide this cube. So I will choose Move Gizmo. I will change object mode to edit mode and choose edge select mode, holding shift, selecting one edge, another edge, Ctrl R. When I'm approaching the cube I can see the dividing plane. Let us move it a little bit here, for example. Now left click, holding it, we selected the area we want to divide. Separate selection. Let's see. Go back to object mode. Let's see. You see, we divided. It looks like okay, but you see those two sides are left with the bottom part. So if you will turn the picture, you see that there are no sides here. Okay, let's go back to our cube. We'll do the next. We'll choose this viewport shading. Now you can see what happens with your total object, all the sides. And so let's do what we did. One edge, another edge, release shift and press Ctrl R. This is our plane, and you can see this time this plane is involved, is added to our new object. So you just, and we can see it now, you just click here and do it one more time, do selection one more time, and this time everything is okay. Okay, let us do right click, separate selection. Now let's go back to object mode. Let's change our selection, viewport shading, and let us try now. I think it's okay. I think now it's everything like it has to be. Okay, thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!